Hello, in this video tutorial we would like to show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this TCL Tab 10S device. First of all, let's go ahead and launch the keyboard. At the top part of your keyboard, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard and tap on it. At the clipboard page, turn on this toggle, therefore activating it. Next, if you would like to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on this pencil, select the elements that you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. In order for anything to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car, I'll go ahead, select it, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard page, I'll notice that the car element has been successfully added as the most recent one. And from here, if you would like to use any elements you have at your clipboard, you gotta simply tap on it and it will be successfully pasted to, well, any typing bar that you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.